Today, I will show you the only working Duolingo cheat for Android. DuoHacker completes lessons, stories, and legendaries in a matter of seconds. It's free, easy, and requires absolutely no effort. The best thing? It's free. Skip your homework, gain XP, and finish the leaderboard as #1 every single week. Let me show you just how easy it is, and after that, I'll tell you how to install it. As you can see, you simply start a lesson and DuoHacker will finish it for you. By the way, this is not sped up. You can even automate it entirely. Simply open Settings and activate AutoMode. Do you like what you see? If so, let's go ahead and install it. Sadly, the Google Play Store doesn't allow cheats or hacks, so you have to download it directly from the official website. First step is to go to duohacker.net. Press Download, choose Android, open the file and allow the install. You can skip the scan or not, it doesn't matter. That's it. Simply press start, log in, and it's ready.